Hi learning fellows, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to learn how to do a drippy effect in Canva. So let's begin. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So let's begin. We're going to take this size over here. So now after my page has been opened, now I'm going to go in the uploads. And I'm just going to pick up this image from yesterday. Like I just want to use it again. But this time we're going to do a drippy effect, you all know. So I'm gonna refill it to my big size. Now what you do is that you're gonna scroll down over here, go in the apps, and type in here Trippy like this. And the first icon you're gonna click over here. And just select the image you want to add the effect on. And then I'm just gonna click on this one split. Like this. And now you can do the changes by yourself, like the angle or the distance of the amount, like that. You can do this by your own. You can even add a jitter effect like this, or you can even solarize it. Well, I'm gonna keep my settings to like somewhat like this and add a little jitter. And I'm gonna click on save. And now this image has been saved. Now I'm just gonna click on download. Well, it's not necessary. I'm just gonna download it. And download. So I hope you loved this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like these. And don't forget to share to your friends. Bye bye.